Welcome back. We are continuing our lesson on forces in motion, but today we are looking at magnetic force and static electricity. Go ahead and grab your magnets and your attract-repel sheet so you can keep track of what we're talking about. Magnets have a field around them, but it's invisible. You can't see it, but we can see it at work. It attracts other magnetic material. Most magnetic material is made of metal, like iron. Magnets can also repel. Can you say repel? That means push away objects. Magnets also have a north and south pole. That's right, just like our planet Earth. One side is positive, the other is negative. Now, opposites attract. So if you have a negative and a positive, they will attract each other. But if you have the same, either a positive and positive or a negative and negative, they repel, they push away, they don't want to touch. If you look at your chart, you'll see how that works as a reminder. Now, try it with your wands. Go ahead, pick them up, see if you can find the opposite and the same. Feel that resistance. It's strong. Okay, now we're going to put our magnets to the test. You have a bag of magnetic objects. Put them on your table. Wave your magnet wand over them and see if it attracts the objects. What does that tell you about the objects? Pretty cool. What else can you find that's magnetic? What about your scissors? What about your foil? I don't know. Test them.